Want to break into cloud? In just 3 days, you can go from zero to confidence with AWS and land your first cloud role or certification. Cloud skills are in crazy demand. Employers are crying out for AWS savvy engineers, but most people struggle. Endless videos, no guidance, no real hands-on experience. That's where we step in. Join our 3-day AWS bootcamp presented by Cloud In-Depth experts. You'll get immersive, instructor-led sessions that are live, real-world labs and projects, not just slides. Practice exams and quizzes, personalized Q&A and support, fast track to AWS certification levels like Cloud Practitioner and Solutions Architect. Why our bootcamp? Because we don't just teach theory, we do it. You'll build architectures, troubleshoot, deploy real services. Instructors are AWS pros. You get support after the bootcamp to help you pass certification. Spots are limited. Sign up now to lock in your spot. Transform your future. 3 days, real skills, real results. Cloud confidence, unlocked in 3 days.